Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast math. First, focus on building a strong foundation in number sense and mental arithmetic. This means understanding how numbers relate to each other and being able to perform simple calculations in your head. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This consistent practice is crucial for developing speed and accuracy, making more complex problems easier to tackle. We'll also cover specific techniques to boost your calculation speed. To truly excel at fast math, mastering mental strategies is essential. Start by breaking down large numbers into smaller, more manageable parts. For example, to multiply 25 by 16, think of it as 25 times 4. Then multiply that result by 4 again. Estimation is another powerful tool. Quickly approximate answers to check if your precise calculation is reasonable. Also, ensure you have common multiplication tables, at least up to 12 times 12, firmly memorized. This reduces the need for on-the-spot calculations. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of fast math proficiency. Incorporate timed practice sessions into your study routine to simulate real-world pressure and improve your calculation speed. Don't just practice abstract problems. Actively look for opportunities to apply your fast math skills in daily life. Whether it's calculating discounts while shopping or adjusting recipes, these applications reinforce learning. Always take time to review any mistakes you make. Understanding where you went wrong helps prevent repeating those errors in the future. For those looking to push their limits, explore advanced techniques such as Vedic math or the Trachtenberg system, which offer unique approaches to complex calculations. Many online resources and mobile applications provide interactive exercises and games that make learning fast math engaging and effective. Remember, staying focused is key to learning, and hydration plays a big part in that. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay at your best. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.